Now there are also some pre-built accents that you can put into your plan. If you go over to the Tools menu up at the top, go to Accent Wizard, and click on Next here. By clicking right on an accent, you will see there's a whole series of geometric designs, and there are some carpets in here made with Unilock products, some squares here that you can add, and these are very helpful to build some of these designs very rapidly. Let's take this compass rose here and put that into our plan. And we click Next and Finish, and it ended up here in the middle of the house, so make sure we drag that over into the front entrance area, or we can put it into the back patio actually too. Why don't we put it into the back patio? Probably looks a little bit nicer, and it matches some of the quartz stone that's in there. Now the beauty of this is that this compass rose is editable, so you can ungroup it, and then you can actually literally go into every area. So if you wanted to change, let's say this area here, you could do that. Perhaps maybe you want to use Umbriano for an example. You could put Umbriano in there, and that looks quite nice. You want to change the outside perimeter circle here. We can change that to perhaps even our copthorn, and we have our copthorn in here, and we can change the width a little bit here on the copthorn to go to 8 inches, 7.5, and that gives us some of our nice personalized touches to things. And of course, at any time, you can move that over and reposition it as required.